Foodgasm! Yeah! Hello foodies! So I just got package from Indo Grocery that I ordered some Indonesian food, and because I have to secure some food that should be frozen. I love this indogroceries.com online shop about Indonesian food. This is Indo Groceries Facebook page. They based in Indianapolis. I've got the info about Indo Groceries from other YouTubers. She live in the US too. Packaging very nice and my stuff still good, not broken. Nothing's broken. Anyway, this is not even fancy food. Probably back in Indonesia, my country, is cheap food and there is everywhere. Funny is about if you're living overseas, you always miss some authentic food, right? Especially from your country. And for me, I live in small town of Indiana, in Dagger. It's far from Indonesian market or Indonesian groceries. For Indonesian, obviously, they already know this food, but even my husband, he doesn't know what kind of my favorite food, authentic Indonesian food. Sometimes I'm kind of worried to showing him, it's kind of weird, probably. And total price, all of this stuff is $42.97. So let's take a checkie. This is instant spices for Indonesian rendang curry. Rendang is the most famous Indonesian food. The main ingredients, you use big chunk of beef, this bambu rendang or beef in hot sauce. Also here you can say instant spices for Indonesian rendang curry. This is 39 grams and the price 99 cents or 14,000 rupiah. Next is Indo food rendang again. Instant seasoning mix for rendang or beef in hot sauce. Same thing with the one before, but this is a different brand. Sometimes people like different brand. They say different taste, have a different taste. For these small things, you can put like 500 grams cube beef to 1 liter of water and bring to boil. And put like coconut milk and stuff. Oh, the price is 99 cents, same about 14,000 rupiah. Next, another beef rendang, bumbu rendang. This is kind of bigger, so the price is $3.89 or 55,000 rupiah. I just add garlic, ginger, and coconut milk. Cook around 45 minutes, then voila! After its previous success in 2011, rendang is the scrumptious meat dish from West Sumatra. Was again crowned the best food in CNN's words, the best foods recently published on 12th July 2017. You couldn't beat the taste of special spices of rendang, just delicious. Okay. Next is Sambel Pecel Karangsari. Sambel Pecel. Sambal itself is spicy sauce, and pecel is a traditional Javanese salad with peanut sauce. So this Sambel Pecel Karangsari is like salad dressing, like Indonesian salad dressing. Also though, can be used as a spice for satay, chicken satay, and salad, yes, for sure. Instantly mix with warm water and it is ready to service for your family. It's 200 grams. The price is $1.99 or 28,000 rupiah. Next is, ta-da! My favorite Rotary garlic crackers. This is the most famous Indonesian crackers. The price is $3.59 or 50,000 rupiah. Cannot wait to open the Kerupuk. I'm like a little kid. Special present. Oh, they're stuck. Selamat makan. Bon appetit. Next is star garlic crackers or kerupuk bawang stars. This stuff is similar with the garlic crackers before, but it is still not fried yet, you know, so it's lasts longer. I can keep it for a couple months. The price is $1.99 or 28,000 rupiah. Next, another garlic crackers. I love crackers. So this is the brand is Super 33. The price is $2.29 or 32,000 rupiah. Next is bakwan crust. Bakwan is a mix fritter or coating mix. You can put vegetables in it, you can put shrimp in it, you can put corn in it, then you fry it. This Kobe mix price is 99 cents or 14,000 rupiah. I also bought the coating mix for the tempeh. Next is Masala dried salted fish. Drying or salting, either with dry salt or with brine, was the only widely available method of preserving fish until 19th century. Probably for some people it's kind of weird, isn't it? Because people here come and eat like fish fillet like that, you know, not even bones or fish head. And it's a salted fish, so it's not even smelly, you know, from outside. Their package is really nice. The price is $2.99 or 32,000 rupiah. And here is the package that should be frozen. It's Tempeh and Petai. Let's open it. The package is very nice. Oh, look how cute the Petai. Petai, guys. Petai has earned its nickname Sting Bean because its strong smells is very pervasive. It contains certain amino acids. This frozen Petai costs $2.29 or 32,000 rupiah. Frozen Sato, Parkia speciosa, ask cook before serve. I will. And here is the tempeh. Tofurki, Indonesian style tempeh. Get your culture on. Ooh la la. Tempeh or tempeh is a traditional Javanese food made from fermented soybeans. Tempeh fermentation process and its retention of the whole bean give it a higher content of protein, dietary fiber, and vitamins. So this soybean cakes or tempeh price is $3.69 or 52,000 rupiah. So this is it, guys. It's like I said, it's nothing fancy, but you only live once. Do whatever to make you happy, right? I tell you, I live here for 2 years and I still cannot back my hometown yet, so I really miss Indonesian food, and I miss my family as well, my son. So there is some Indonesian foods that you don't know, and now you know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my video, and don't forget to be brave, to be fearless, and to be inspiring. See you soon. Bye.